This is a short video showing how easy it is to install the power-inspired DC2 UPS system. So here we have a wireless router and its power supply. And we have the DC2 in its box. Opening up the DC2 box. You have the instruction manual and the DC2 UPS. At the bottom of the box you will find the output cables. If you ordered an AC adapter, this will be located here as well. Remove the DC jack from the router and connect this to the input DC port on the DC2. Check that the voltage selector switch is set to the voltage rating of your AC adapter. This can be 9, 12 or 24 volts. Once connected, the unit will start up automatically. Then take one of the output leads and connect to the router and to any of the output jacks on the DC2. It is recommended to connect the highest powered item to the master outlet. Check that the router has powered up, and remove the power to confirm that the DC2 provides uninterrupted backup power. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For further information or to buy online, see our website www.powerinspired.com.